Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on Boolean algebra, lecture number 7, in which I will discuss on Boolean algebra as lattices. Now we wish to define Boolean algebra in terms of lattice. For this, the relation between two elements is to be defined. This relation should be partial order relation, and then we try to show that this partial order relation on Boolean algebra helps to define a lattice. Now we define the relation between two elements of a Boolean algebra. Let B be a Boolean algebra and small a small b belongs to B. We say that A is related to B if A dot B prime equal to 0. Now we prove a theorem that B be a Boolean algebra and small a small b belongs to B, then A is related to B if and only if A plus B equal to B. Since we have already defined that if AB belongs to B and A is related to B if A dot complement of B equal to 0. So this is our definition of relation between two elements A and B. Now A plus B equal to A means A dot 1 plus B means B dot 1. By complement law we may write 1 equal to B plus B prime, and here also 1 equal to A plus A prime, complement of A. By distributive law, A dot B plus A dot B prime. Here also by distributive law, B dot A plus B dot A prime. Since here given number 1, A dot B prime equal to 0. So in this place we write 0. Now A dot B plus 0 equal to A dot B plus A dot B. Here we write A prime dot B. By idempotent law, A dot B plus A dot B equal to A dot B. Here we see that dot B, here also dot B. So by distributive law we take A plus A prime under bracket dot B. Since A plus A prime by complement law equal to 1 dot B equal to B. Therefore left side is A plus B, right side is B. Therefore A plus B equal to B. This is number 2. Again, let A plus B equal to B. This is number 3. Now A dot B prime equal to A dot B prime plus 0. By complement law we may write 0 equal to B dot B prime. By distributive law, here we see that dot, here also dot. So we write A plus B dot B prime. Since in number 2 A plus B equal to B, so here we write B dot B prime, this equal to 0. And A dot B prime equal to 0 means A is related to B. Now we prove a theorem, statement of the theorem, that is, let B be a Boolean algebra, then the relation this defined as A is related to B if and only if A dot B prime equal to 0 is a partial order relation. Now we prove this. Number 1, reflexive property. Since given that
A dot B prime is equal to 0
implies that A is related to B. Since we know that A dot A prime equal to 0 by complement law, therefore A is related to A for all A belong to B. Therefore this relation is reflexive. Number 2, let A B belong to B such that A is related to B and B is related to A. Implies that if A is related to B, then A dot B prime equal to 0, and if B is related to A, then B dot A prime equal to 0. Now A equal to A dot 1, by complement law 1 equal to B plus B prime. By distributive law this is equal to A dot B plus A dot B prime. Since given that A dot B prime equal to 0, here we write 0. Again 0 equal to B dot A prime, here we write B dot A prime. We may write by commutative law A dot B equal to B dot A. Here we see that B dot. So by distributive law we may write B dot A plus A prime. Since by complement law A plus A prime equal to 1, so we write B dot 1. B dot 1 equal to B. Left side is A, right side is B, therefore A equal to B. Hence we get A is related to B, B is related to A, then A equal to B. Hence this relation is symmetric. Now we will show the transitive property. Let A is related to B and B is related to C. Since for A is related to B, we get A dot complement of B equal to 0, and for B is related to C, we get B dot complement of C equal to 0. Now A dot complement of C equal to, since A equal to A dot 1 by identity law, dot complement of C. By complement law we may write 1 equal to B plus complement of B. Now we use distributive law, A dot B plus A dot complement of B dot complement of C. Now again we use distributive law, then we get A dot B dot complement of C plus A dot complement of B dot complement of C. By associative law here we get A dot under bracket B dot complement of C. this term remains same. Since here we see that B dot complement of C equal to 0. So we put here 0. And also A dot complement of B equal to 0. So here we also write 0. A dot 0 equal to 0. 0 dot complement of C equal to 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Therefore, we get A dot complement of C equal to 0. This means A is related to C. Hence, transitive property holds. So, we get that reflexive, symmetric and transitive property holds for the given relation. Therefore, we get that this relation is a partial order relation on capital B. Now we prove a theorem. Theorem is, let capital B be a Boolean algebra. Then B with this relation, where this relation is defined as A is related to B if and only if A dot complement of B equal to 0. Then B with this relation is a lattice. Moreover, the identities 0 and 1 are least and greatest elements of this lattice. Now we shall prove this. Proof. Given that B be a Boolean algebra, the relation, this relation is defined on B as follow. A is related to B, double implication, that means if and only if A dot complement of B equal to 0. This is number 1. Firstly, we have to show that this relation is a partial order relation on B. With the help of previous theorem, we have already proved that under this condition 1, this relation is partial order relation on B. Now, A dot under bracket A plus B prime, that means complement of A plus B, equal to A dot, by De Morgan's law, this is equal to complement of A dot complement of B. Now by associative law, we may write under bracket A dot complement of A, then dot complement of B. By complement law, A dot complement of A equal to 0. So this is equal to 0 dot complement of B. Since 0 dot complement of B equal to 0, now we use number 1. In number 1, if A dot complement of B equal to 0, then A is related to B. Similarly here, A dot A plus B prime, that means complement of A plus B equal to 0, that means A is related to A plus B. This is number 3. Now again we get B dot complement of A plus B. Now using De Morgan's law here, we get complement of A dot complement of B. By commutative law, we may write this complement of A dot complement of B equal to complement of B dot complement of A. Now we use associative law. This equal to under bracket B dot complement of B dot complement of A. By complement law, B dot complement of B equal to 0, then this equal to 0 dot complement of A, this equal to 0. This is number 4. So using 1, again we get here B is related to A plus B. So from theory and 5 we get that both A and B are related to A plus B. Therefore, A plus B is an upper bound of the set containing elements A and B. Let C be any other upper bounds of the set containing elements A and B. Therefore, A is related to C and B is related to C. This means A dot complement of C equal to 0 and this means B dot complement of C equal to 0. Now we add these two. A dot complement of C plus B dot complement of C equal to 0 plus 0, that means 0. By distributive law, we get that here A under bracket A plus B dot complement of C equal to 0. Again by using 1, we get A plus B is related to C. This means that A plus B is an upper bound
and C be any other upper bound.
then A plus B is related to C, that is A plus B is least upper bound of the set containing elements A and B. That is A plus B equal to supremum of the set containing elements A and B. In lattice we write supremum of AB equal to A joint B. That is A plus B equal to A joint B. This is number 7. Now A dot B under bracket dot complement of A. By commutative law we may write A dot B equal to B dot A dot complement of A. Now by associative law we may write B dot under bracket A dot complement of A. Here by complement law A dot complement of A equal to 0, that is this equal to B dot 0, B dot 0 means 0. Therefore we get under bracket A dot B dot complement of A equal to 0, then using 1 we get A dot B is related to A. This is number 8. Again under bracket A dot B dot complement of B. By associative law we may write A dot under bracket B dot complement of B. Here by complement law B dot complement of B equal to 0. This equal to A dot 0 equal to 0. Therefore using 1 we get A dot B is related to B. This is number 9. From 8 and 9 we see that
A dot B
is a lower bound of the set containing elements A and B. This is number 10. Let C be any other lower bound of the set containing elements A and B. Therefore, C is related to A and C is related to B. This means C dot complement of A equal to 0 and this means C dot complement of B equal to 0. Now we adding these two equations. We get C dot complement of A plus C dot complement of B equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. By distributive law, here we write C dot under bracket complement of A plus complement of B. This equal to 0. Using De Morgan's law, we get here A dot B whole complement. This means C is related to A dot B. This is number 11. From 10 and 11, in 10, AB is a lower bound of set containing elements A and B. And in 11, we see that C be any other lower bound that is related to A dot B. That means A dot B is the greatest lower bound of the set containing elements A and B. Therefore, A dot B equal to greatest lower bound means infimum of set containing elements A and B. We may write infimum of AB equal to A meet B. This is number 12. Hence, B is a lattice. Since we have already seen that this relation is a partial order relation on B, and also we get infimum and supremum in between any two elements in B. Therefore, B is a lattice where plus and dot are join and meet operation. Now, let A belongs to B implies that 0 dot complement of A equal to 0. This means 0 is related to A for all A belongs to B. That is, 0 is the least element of B. This means, again,
A dot complement of 1, complement of 1 equal to 0.
And A dot 0 equal to 0. Therefore,
A dot complement of 1 equal to 0
means A is related to 1 for all A belongs to B. Therefore, 1 is the greatest element of B. Hence, B is a bounded lattice. Now we prove a theorem. Theorem is that let B with operation, binary operations, plus and dot and unary operation complement be a Boolean algebra. Then the lattice B with operations join and meet, where A join B equal to A plus B and A meet B equal to A dot B, is bounded, complemented and distributive lattice. Conversely, if B with operations join and meet is a bounded, complemented and distributive lattice, then B plus dot complement is a Boolean algebra, where A plus B equal to A join B, A dot B equal to A meet B, A prime is a complement of A in B with join and meet. Now we shall prove this. Let capital B with binary operation plus dot and complement is unary operation is a Boolean algebra. This relation is defined on B as follow: A is related to B, double implication, A dot complement of B equal to 0. Since under this condition we get A join B equal to A plus B and A meet B equal to A dot B, we get this relation. Since under this condition we get that, already we have proved that B with this relation is a lattice such that plus and dot are join and meet operations. For small a belongs to B, we get 0 dot complement of A equal to 0, which means 0 is related to A for all small a belongs to B. Hence 0 is the least element of B. Since 0 is less than equal to any A. Again, A dot
complement of 1 equal to 0.
So this equal to A dot 0. A dot 0 equal to 0. A dot
Complement of 1 equal to 0 means
A is related to 1. That means 1 is the greatest element of B. Since A is an arbitrary element of B, from 2 and 3, here in 2 we get 0 is the least element of B, and in 3 1 is the greatest element of B. That means B is a bounded lattice. Since B plus dot and complement obeys the complement law, in Boolean algebra always obeys the complement law. Therefore, A plus complement of A equal to 1 and A dot complement of A equal to 0 for all A belongs to B. Since plus means join, here we have already told that plus and dot are join and meet operations. So in place of plus we write join, in place of dot we write meet. So A join complement of A equal to 1 and A meet complement of A equal to 0. This is the complement for the case of lattice, that is B is a complemented lattice. For any element of A, we get this relation A join complement of A equal to 1 and A meet complement of A equal to 0. Since we know that Boolean algebra is distributive, therefore we may write A dot B plus C equal to A dot B plus
A dot C.
In place of dot we write meet, in place of plus we write join. So in both sides we write this. So this is the distributive law for the case of lattice. Again, in Boolean algebra we get that A plus B dot C equal to A plus B dot A plus C. In place of plus we write join, in place of dot we write meet in both sides. So we get that B is a distributive lattice. So we get B is a bounded, complemented and distributive lattice. Now we prove the converse. conversely, let B with operation join and meet is bounded, complemented and distributive lattice with 0 and 1 as least and greatest elements. For small a, small b belong to B, we define a plus b equal to a join B and a dot b equal to a mate B. Since in lattice, this is a lattice, in lattice commutative law holds. Therefore, a join B equal to B join A and A meet B equal to B meet B. In place of join, we write plus, in place of meet, we write dot. Therefore, A plus B equal to B plus A and A dot B equal to B dot A. Hence, B with plus, dot and complement is commutative. Again, since 0 is the least element, therefore 0 is related to A for all A belongs to B. In lattice, if this case holds, then we know that A joined 0 equal to A implies that A plus 0 equal to A. Again, 1 is the greatest element. Therefore, A is related to 1 for all A belongs to B. If this case holds, then we know that in lattice A meet 1 equal to A. In place of meet, we write dot, A dot 1 equal to A. Therefore, we get A plus 0 equal to A and A dot 1 equal to A for all A belongs to B. Hence, identity law holds in B plus dot and complement. Again, here we have assumed that B is a distributive lattice. So, it obeys the distributive law. A join under bracket B meet C equal to A join B meet A join C for all A, B, C belong to B. In place of join, we write plus, in place of meet, we write dot. So, we get A plus under bracket B dot C equal to under bracket A plus B dot under bracket A plus C. Again, A meet under bracket B join C equal to under bracket A meet B join under bracket A meet C. In place of meet, we write dot. In place of join, we write plus. Here also dot, here plus, here dot. Therefore, B plus dot complement is distributive. Again, since B lattice with operation join, meet and complement obeys the complement law, since given that B is a complemented, bounded, complemented and distributive lattice. Therefore, A join complement of A equal to 1 and A meet complement of A equal to 0 for all A belongs to capital B. In place of join, we write plus, A plus complement of A equal to 1 and in place of meet, we write dot, A dot complement of A equal to 0 for all A belongs to capital B. Therefore, B plus dot complement obeys the complement law. Hence, we get that B plus dot complement is commutative, it contains identity elements, and this is distributive and obeys the complement law. Therefore, B plus dot complement is a Boolean algebra. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.